Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
Drink lemon water every day, but don't make the same mistake as millions. A glass of lemon water in the morning is starting to become a habit for many people. As soon as they wake up, they drink it and start their day energized and awoken. Lemon water is an extremely beneficial drink, but not everyone can take. The bitter-sour taste of lemons, especially first thing in the morning. Health experts highly recommend drinking lemon water in the morning. It's the healthiest way to start the day. Lemons are good for your overall health thanks to the high amount of antioxidants, flavonoids, minerals and vitamins. Lemon juice has antiviral, antibacterial and immune-boosting properties, which is why everyone should find a way to incorporate it in their daily diet. Lemons are a true elixir of health, rich in all the important nutrients we need, and it's the best fruit in the world. It can help with bacterial infections and will build up your immunity, making your body more resistant to all kinds of infections and diseases. The best way to add lemons to our diet is to drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Your food cravings will disappear, your digestion will be improved, and it will create an alkaline environment, something that is of utmost importance for your overall health. Just 1 cup of lemon juice contains 187% of your daily recommended value for vitamin C. Can you imagine how beneficial this is? One of the most common mistakes people make when preparing lemon water is that they don't use the lemon peels. But the lemon peel is actually the most beneficial part of lemons. It contains the most nutrients. We usually just squeeze the lemon and use its juice, throwing away its most valuable part, the peel. The best recipe for lemon water: slice 2 organic lemons into even pieces and squeeze the juice from half of them. Grate the peel as well from the same slices. Add the rest of the slices in a cup and pour some warm water over them. Mix everything and consume this refreshing drink on an empty stomach. This should become your habit, and you should start doing it every day. Before breakfast, before coffee and before everything else, consume lemon water.